Good morning, children. Today we'll start the topic motional electromotive force. Motional EMF or motional electromotive force. See, when we are talking about EMF, you know the difference between EMF and potential difference already. The only thing here, the change is now we are talking about induced EMF. Because when we are saying motional EMF, here we will produce EMF by moving the conductor in a magnetic field. Let us consider a magnetic field which we are drawing in the form of crosses on the plane of the paper. So a cross means a magnetic field directed inside the plane of the paper. Let us consider a conductor in the form of a coil to be moving inside the magnetic field like this. Let the length of this side be, say, L, and the distance from here, say, be X. This is a given situation we are talking about. That is, a coil PQRS is moved in a magnetic field, say B, which is directed into the plane of the paper. Now, from our previous studies, we now know that an EMF must be produced in this coil and a current shall flow in the circuit. If the coil would have been stationary, or if the coil would have been outside the magnetic field, there would not have been any EMF. But now, as we are saying that it is moving with velocity v inside the magnetic field, that means there is a motion relative to the magnetic field, or you can say there is a relative motion between the magnetic field and the coil. Now, how to find out EMF? See, the expression for finding out the induced EMF which we have derived so far is minus d phi by dt, and phi also you know is equal to BA. If area vector and magnetic field vector are 90 degree to each other, here magnetic field and area vector is 90 degree to each other, and therefore what shall be BA equals to, at a given instant, which we are showing by this diagram. See, area of the coil will be equal to L into X. Alright, so BLX. So now again we'll go to this, say, equation number 1. So induced EMF will be equal to now minus d by dt of BLX. Now I have to differentiate with respect to t. So I'll have to check which physical quantity is changing with t. See, if the coil is inside the magnetic field, since area is constant, so it is here or here, that is going not to change the area as well as the magnetic field. This length L will remain L as, this will also remain as L. The only change will be in X. Is it all right? So more coil you will be pressing inside the magnetic field, X will increase or decrease. So with time it is the variable X which is changing. So it will be d by dt of is equal to minus BL dx by dt. So this is equal to now BLV. So motional EMF is equal to BLV. Clear? Now see, whenever this coil is going to move inside the magnetic field, the charges inside this conductor PR, PQ will also move, because motion of the conductor means motion of the charges also, and motion of the charges is current. And when a charge is in motion in a magnetic field, it is going to feel Lorentz force. And how much is the Lorentz force? B Q V. B Q V. So how much is the work done in moving a charge? Now charge, you can say any arbitrary charge, say Q, moving inside the conductor, say P Q, and certainly the charge will be moving towards from P to Q. The force acting on it will be the Lorentz force. So how much will be the work done? Force, that is the Lorentz force which we have talked about, multiplied by the displacement. So this is going to give me B Q V, and how much it is moving the charge? If it is moving in this, the distance is L. So B Q V L. This will be the work done. This is another formation. And what is induced EMF? Or V? Do you remember? It is work done upon charge, if you remember. So EMF will be equal to work done upon charge, which will be equal to BQVL upon charge, which will certainly be equal to BVL. And once you have got an induced EMF, there will be an induced current. Now, how will we determine the induced current in the circuit? Now, what will be I equals to? Now, I will be equals to E upon R. Now, what was E equals to? BVL. If we take only the magnitude divided by, let R be the resistance of this arm. We are taking the resistance of these arms as negligible, and if they are not negligible, we'll add them up. So it will be VVL upon R. This will be an expression for I. Now, a current carrying conductor, when placed in a magnetic field, will feel a force F is equals to BIL. This also we have done. A force acting on a current carrying conductor when placed in a magnetic field. So if a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field B, the force experienced will be equal to BIL. If I substitute the value of I from here, it will be BVL upon R into, in place of I am putting BVL upon R. This L will be there. So since I have taken L length as small l, so here also I can take it as small l. So it will be B square L square V upon R. We can also find out the power used. Power used will be equal to F into V. This you can also calculate by this formula. You will get the same result. P is equals to I square R. You are going to get the same result from this expression as well as from this expression. B square L square V upon R into V. So P will be equal to B square L square V square upon R. These are all about when we consider energies. So you can write down in one or the other forms to get the similar results. See, whatever is being required to find out, use that particular formula and find out the answer. Here the same formula can be found out by this. You can use I from here, I square, B square, V square, L square, R upon R square. One of the R will cancel out. You will get the same answer. So in this way, we can find out an expression for motional EMF. We can also find out an expression for the force experience. We can also find out expression for the power consumed. We can also find out an expression for induced EMF. So this derivation is to be done. So these are all when this question is being asked. So 2 marks for finding out motional EMF, 1 marks for these type of expression. They'll ask you power, they can ask you work done, they can ask you the force experienced by the current carrying conductor. They can also talk about the work done. So those will be for 1 marks. So accordingly, you have to do this topic. Thank you.